Welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I will show you easy and simple digital painting in Procreate. So I have already sketched in layer 1. I'm going to opacity down, so like it's easy to color it. So I'm going to create another layer using the dark color, so for the outline. And I got this reference picture from Pinterest. Okay, so you have check it out, or else you can draw by checking this video. You can draw like this. So I'm going to I'm not going to do the opacity down. Opacity will be 100% and the size will be 3 to 4% according to your reference picture. So I have to draw the outline first, so check it out properly. All the things I'm not going to draw the outline, some of them I'm going to draw step by step. I'm going to do it, so check the till the end. Watch till the end and check it out how I'm going to draw this cute digital painting in Procreate. So this is the easiest Procreate tutorial and digital painting. Who wants to learn digital art, so they can just check it out and follow the steps properly. So I'm going to do the outline first. Check it out properly. So I have already drawn the outline for the top portion. I'm going to use another layer for this color, so deep color. So many I'm not going to create so many layer for this. It's an easy drawing, so that's why I'm going to teach you how you can create with easy step. So I'm going to use little bit dark yellow for the this portion. I'm going to use the lighter yellow on the upper portion. So first of all, you have to draw the outline. I have made a mistake. You have to do it like this way. Okay, so I'm going to use the basket wheel brush from the inking. Make sure you have to use this brush, or else if you want to use studio pen, you can use it. So I hope you can check. I'm going to use light color now on the upper portion. So check it out properly. It's a most easiest way. Anyone can draw this kind of painting. So check it out. I'm going to draw on the same layer. I'm not going to create, or else you can create another layer for this one as well, but I'm going to use another layer for this. As I told you, it's the easiest way to draw anything in Procreate. This kind of cartoon faces, cartoon portrait you can draw. So this is for beginners who wants to learn digital art or iPad art or Procreate, so they can use it according to this video. So check it out properly. I'm going to draw the outline. As I told you, I'm going to drag the color. Make sure you have to draw the proper outline. Now how you can check the shadow is the left hand side and the light color on the right hand. I'm going to use a couple of light colors here. I'm going to brush size it will be a little bit bigger than previous one, so you can use it like this way. According to your reference picture, you can do it, or if you want to draw by your side, you can do it as well. So there is no, I'm going to, as I told you, I'm going to use couple of colors for the only upper portion of the hair. So it's easy to visible, and it's look amazing. It's look kind of real. So you can check it out according to this. So check it out properly how I'm going to do it, and as I told you, watch till the end, otherwise you miss everything. So there is something in ending of this video. You will get to see, you will get to learn for this easy tutorial. I'll tell you how you can use it properly, so watch till the end. So let me do those things first. Check it out properly as I told you. So hair color is complete. I'm going to create another layer for skin like you can check it out. I have to create another layer using this color. If you, and one more most important thing is, if you want the same color code, do let me know in the comment section. I will tell you the color code so you can easily use in Procreate. Make sure you have to use the Procreate for the same color code, so I can tell you the color code. Just do let me know in the comment section. So as I told you, same procedure, because it's one kind of vector art. It's not a proper vector art, but yeah, it's a, you know, it's a cartoon type drawing, so you need to do it as much as easy way. So that's what I'm not going to use so many layers for this kind of painting. So you can use it for this portion. I'm going to use airbrushing, soft brush, and using this color. For this you can just do the alpha lock, so the color is not going outside of this painting. So you can do it like this way. The shadow portion, the one, I'm going to do it so you can check properly. As I told you, you can use couple of brushes. It's easy to draw to this kind of painting. So you can either use baskerville brush, like a studio pen, you can use it, or else airbrushing. So this kind of 3 to 4 brushes I'm going to use it. Not going to use so many brushes as when I draw realistic type painting. So on that kind of painting I have to use so many layers, I have to use so many colors for that. So I hope you can check. It's properly look amazing, and it's look like the body color, the skin color, it's look good. As it's not the realistic type, but it's look good. So you can do it, you can follow this step, and you can just deselect the alpha lock. After you create the complete the color, you can deselect the alpha lock. Whenever you are going to draw anything, you can use it. Make sure if you do the alpha lock, you cannot use another color for it. You cannot draw it. You can use one color, you cannot draw anything like that. So you have to deselect the alpha lock first before you use another color. So I hope you can check properly. It's look good now. So check it properly. What I'm going to do it, few portion, as I told you, I'm going to deselect the alpha lock. So let me do this thing step by step. Follow each and every step. So make sure you need to draw the same thing properly. So let me do it first. This cute painting is almost complete, 80% completed, if you can check. And as I told you, I'm not going to cut any things in this video, so you need to follow the each and every step, each and every layer, how I create, how I use the color, which brush I'm using. Okay, so check properly. So as I told you, 80% already completed. So when you are trying to draw, as I told you previously, that you need to do alpha lock before you using, and make sure when the drawing is completed, you need to deselect the sketch brush, so that will be easy to draw. So I hope you can check the outline. I have to draw it, and make sure, as I told you, each and everything you have to draw it. First you need to do the outline and drag the color, but make sure you have to use you have to create another layer for it. Okay, so I hope you can check. It's not too hard to draw like this. Anyone can draw. It's easy digital art. If you want to learn advanced digital art or advanced Procreate tutorial, please visit my channel and check my other videos. There is lots of video, more than 550, almost 550 videos I have already uploaded, including shorts and a long video. So check those videos and do let me know in the comment section how is it, which one is the best for you. and which one what kind of like a painting, digital painting you want to see, you want to learn. So do let me know in the comment section. I will try to make another video for it according to that. Okay, so if you if you want to draw like this kind of painting, there is lots of painting, check it out those video. And if you like this digital art, do it, grab your iPad, do it in Procreate or any other application if you are using, try to make it, and do let me know in the comment section and share your creation with me. Mention my channel name, I would love to see your creation. So thank you so much for watching this video. It's, as I told you, it's almost completed. I have to do the same things with this wings and this insects. I have to draw the same way. So check it out properly, step by step, how I'm going to create it. So you have to follow the each and every step properly, and make sure you have, if you have any problem to create this kind of painting, do let me know in the comment section. I will guide you step by step, and I will teach you how to create this kind of painting. And as I told you previously at the beginning of this video, that I got this reference picture from the Pinterest, so you can check it out for the reference picture. You can visit Pinterest, you can check, there is lots of digital art for beginners, so you can use those kind of reference picture for this kind of painting. So keep patience and do it according to your reference picture, what kind of painting you are drawing. But according to me, I would like to tell you, like, this kind of painting is easy to draw. So for beginners who wants to learn initially this kind of painting, they can draw this kind of painting. Then you can go ahead with the realistic type painting. But at initially, if you are beginners, then I would suggest you go for this kind of painting. So watch till the end, check it out. As I told you, I have already completed. Check properly, watch till the end. And I have used in this whole painting, I have used only 3 brush. One is Baskerville, which is most important. 80% I have used, 80 to 90% I have used this brush. And another one which I used, Baskerville, it's you can check inking. In this inking brush, you can check there is a Baskerville brush over there, so you can use this brush. As I told you, I have used 80% of this painting, use that brush. So another one I have used, which is from airbrushing soft brush. The last one I have used for my signature, I have used the one studio pen. So forget about the studio pen. So couple of brushes I've used. One is Baskerville, another one is soft brush. That's only 2 brush painting. That's it. As I told you, it's the easiest way. So beginners, just do it and share with me. Thank you so much once again for watching this video, and do let me know in the comment section what I have to draw next time. I'll try to draw for you. Thank you once again. Bye bye.